Hello everybody and welcome to the Bridge to Capital app demo. I will now be taking you through the customer engagement process. The customer engagement process basically entails your post approval process, which means you will now be uploading invoices for finance. This is what the home screen of Bridge to Capital would look like. On the bottom, you have the option to toggle between Hisab and the credit option. So on the left hand side, you have Bridge to Capital credit, and on the right hand side, you have Bridge to Hisab. Please note that the first step here would be to add a new supplier. To add a new supplier, you will click on the Add New Supplier button on the bottom of your screen. This is how you will now need to add a supplier. To begin with, you will add the GST number of the supplier. Please note that the supplier should be filing GST regularly, and we do not finance invoices of a supplier who does not have a registered GST. Once you add the GST number, we will auto-populate the supplier's name, and you will have to add the supplier's mobile number. You will then need to add the supplier bank details. So you will choose whether the supplier account is savings or current. You will then need a blank check from the supplier, and you will upload that on the app. You will upload a picture of the check. Once you click on validate, all the details on the check will be read by an OCR and auto-populated. In case any of these are wrong, these can be corrected. Once you click on submit, your supplier will be added, and a risk manager from our end will go through all these details. If all these details are coherent, we will approve the supplier. The next step would be to upload an invoice. To upload an invoice, you will have to click on either the gallery option on the left hand side or the camera option on the right hand side of the upload invoice button. This is how you will need to upload an invoice. First, you will need to select a supplier. So all the suppliers that have been approved will be shown in a drop down list. So if there are 5 suppliers, you will be shown all 5 suppliers. You will have to pick the supplier whose invoice you need to be financed. You will enter the amount. Please note that the invoice amount can be larger than the requested amount. So if an invoice is of 1 lakh rupees and you only want 50,000 to be financed, that is totally doable. Once you have requested the amount, you will then click a picture of the invoice. As you can see, in the example, the shopkeeper has added 2 pictures of an invoice and has requested a 50,000 amount. You can also add multiple invoices as long as they are within the credit limit that is available to you. Currently, we go up to 6 pictures. Once you click on submit, you will then need to add an OTP and your passcode. This is the 2-factor authentication, and this is the same passcode that you will have set at the beginning of your app. Once you give us the OTP and the passcode, your request has been registered with us, and a risk manager will go through the invoice, and if all the details are coherent, we will transfer money to your supplier's account. You will then have a rating screen where you will rate your experience with us. Please note that we take this feedback very seriously, and in case there is any due diligence that we need to do, we will work on it. Thank you.